Oopsie.
Howdy.
See ya.
The Voice Kit Sound Effects Library from Sound Ideas is a huge collection of more than 18,000 wild lines,
Bite me.
Good morning.
Excellent job.
Here's a story that I can fully endorse.
including more than 1,000 vocal Foley effects. An impressive lineup of vocal talent, both male and female, contributed to this collection, including babies, children,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
teens,
And your point is?
adults,
Keep your shirt on, okay?
seniors,
You young whippersnapper.
and specialty voices such as auctioneers,
100, would you been by 100, anywhere 100? How about 75?
opera singers, witches,
I'm gonna get you.
and munchkins.
I love you.
The Voice Kit Sound Effects Library was recorded in stereo at 24-bit 96K and is available to purchase on DVD or by download.
Affirmative.
Only from Sound Ideas.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
See you soon.